Let us look at the demonstration for reading from the keyboard. Already I have explained you on whiteboard, so the same thing I will demonstrate and show you, and I will show you a few more details. See, already I have written the skeleton of a Java program here, and the program name is read keyboard. So I will save the program first of all. Here I will say save as read keyboard.java. So this is saved in one of my folder, that is my Java folder. Now, as I have discussed that there is a class called scanner, so I will create an object of scanner and I will call it as sc assign new scanner. So this scanner should be attached to keyboard. So there is a built-in object called system.in. This is already attached to keyboard. This is provided by Java. So system.in means it's a reference to keyboard. So now scanner will be reading from the keyboard. So here I will try to read one integer value, and let us see. I will write integer x assign. From scanner I will say next int. This will read an integer. Then same integer I will also display it on the screen. System.out.println. See, just like system.in is an object attached to keyboard, system.out is an object attached to monitor, that is display device, and it is having a method called println which will print and move the cursor to next line. So this ln means it will move the cursor to next line. So anyway, I will display that number. That's it. Simple code I have written. This code will read a integer and display a integer. Now one thing I told you that this scanner class is available in util package. So I should import a util package. So here I should import a util package. I should write down import java.util here, but I have not written it. If I don't write, what happens? Let us check. So first of all, I will save this, saved, and let us go to command prompt. Now I will compile javac read.java. So okay. Now see the message here. Cannot find symbol. This is a common message found if you do such mistakes in Java. Compiler is saying that cannot find symbol scanner. So it means that this class is not accessible or visible to the compiler. Yes, come back to the code and here mention import java.util.star. That's it. So I have shown you what the error you will get if you don't import this one. Now save it and go back to command prompt and again say javac. You can press up arrow key, it will give you the previous command. It's compiled. I will clear the screen and I will run it. Java read keyboard. Now it is waiting for me to enter a value. I will enter a value, that is 245, and it has printed to 45. So it's reading an integer. So this method will read an integer. I have shown you that there is a method for reading a float number. So just you have to say float. I will save it. I will compile and run. See, everything is same. Just I made a variable of type float and here also I am reading a float. Okay. Now save and compile and run. I will compile by pressing up arrow key. Yes, I got this one. Now again I will press up arrow key. Now run this one. So it's waiting. So I will again enter a integer number only. Yes, it has taken it and it is 0.0 because it is float. I am printing a float. So 245.0. Again I will run it and I will enter a value 35.96. Yes, it is reading float also. Let us try another data type. I will take a string x and just say next. Then let us see what happens. I will compile and I will run. Hello all. I gave 2 words, but it has taken only 1 word. So already I explained you that next will just read 1 word. I will clear the screen and I will run once again and show you. Here I will type hello all of you. So it's taking only one word. If you wanted to read the complete line, then there is a method that is next line. So this is the method. I am making changes here. So I made it as next line. Now save, Control S. Then here again compile once again, right? So up arrow key, it is compiled. Clear screen, run it. Now hello all, it's reading a complete line. I run once again. Now here I will type something, okay, just hitting the keyboard. Yeah, it has taken everything until I press enter key. It has taken everything from the beginning till I hit enter. So complete thing is taken as a string. So this is working. So read line is also working. Now let us go back to the program. I will write one program for adding two numbers as I have discussed on whiteboard. So I'll quickly write down the program. Integer x and y. I have declared two variables. Now I will say enter two numbers. Okay. Println enter two numbers. This will give a message on the screen. It prompt the user to enter number. So x assign sc dot next int. So this will read integer value into x, and y assign sc dot next int. This will read another integer value in y. Then I will declare one variable z. In that I will assign x plus y, so I get the result. Then I will display a result. System.out.println. Here sum is, no, z is sum. That's all. So this is the program. It is reading two numbers from the keyboard and adding them and displaying, right? So I will save it and I will run it now. Clear the screen. Same program. So compile it. It's running. So it's error free. Now run it. So enter two numbers, 10 and 40. Result is 50. I'll show you one more thing here. I will run the program once again. Enter two numbers. First number is 12.3. Oh, it's an error. See, exception in thread main java.util.input mismatch exception. So these exceptions are nothing but runtime errors, and you can see that program has stopped. It has not taken the second number and it didn't say anything, no message at all. It has just stopped. So it is causing this exception, that is input mismatch exception. So the input here expected was integer, but I have given a float value, right? So that is the reason I got an error, and it is a runtime error. So here I have given a float value, that is the error. So it has stopped with this exception. So it means you should give proper input, and what to do in case of exception, we will be learning them in the later sections. So I have shown you one more program to read a name of a person and welcome message should be displayed. So that program you do it by yourself. I will show you few more things. Now here I am using a scanner class. I would like to know what are the methods available in that scanner class. How to find out the methods of any particular class. So for that there is a command called java p. This is a utility from Java. So java p. What is the package name? Java.util. Then in that which class we want? Scanner. So say scanner. So it will show all the methods. Or if you are using some other IDE, it will prompt and show you all the methods. So it's easy there. But if you prefer working on command prompt always, then this is the best method to find out what are the methods available in a particular class. It is not easy to remember all the methods for every class unless you are using it regularly. So if you forgot anything, you can check back here by using java p command. So it is having a lot of methods. You can see next byte is there, and next short is there, and has a next int is there, and a next int, then next long. So for every data type method is available, right? So next float and next a double. For every data type, method is available. Alright, so there is one more method in this one I will show you. Use radix is also there. Check it. Use radix. So I'll just use this method and show you. All these methods, if you want, you can learn. You can explore them. So I will use this use radix and show you. So here I will remove this everything. Okay. Now here I will take only one x, and here also I will print x. Now I kept a few things ready. Now before reading from the scanner, I will say sc dot use radix, and I want radix to be 2, so it means binary number. Yes, so this is the use of this method, use radix 2. Now I will say sc dot next int. I want to read an integer value, right? So next int, and I will display it. So integer will be displayed, and this display will be in decimal form, right? It is not in binary form, but I will be reading it in a binary form. It will be showing it in a decimal form. So I have set the radix like this. Now let us save it and go to command prompt, clear the screen, compile the program, right? Now run the program. I'll give the value as 1010. This is 10. Yes, 10 is displayed. I'll run it once again. I'll give the number as 1100. So this is 12. Yes, 12 is displayed. I'll run the program once again. I'll give the number 123. Again, input mismatch exception. See, it was expecting a binary number, but there is an error here. So I got an error. So that's what. So if there is anything going wrong in Java program, it throws exception. We say this program has thrown exception and it has stopped. So it has terminated or crashed also, we say. So that's all. This is sufficient here. Know about reading from the keyboard. So you can practice this one. So after a few topics, we'll be writing programs, Java programs. So after a few topics, we'll be writing Java programs, and I will be giving you some exercises. So practice this one, write the program by yourself.